What if you could build a self-hosted AI agent that could text your loved ones, your lovers, and every person? Anyway, let's dive into the video. First thing first, let me tell you what we are building. This system is free. Even if you're a beginner, even if you know nothing about coding, please watch this video. You're going to learn to communicate with your lovers even without touching your phone. You get my point? The system is going to do everything for you. And the good thing is, I've managed to upload a zip file that has everything you're going to need in this video. Let's watch the video. Make sure you don't miss any step. We are teaching on a low man. Anyway, let me first log out to see our interface. You can do this system and you're going to learn how to edit everything and do everything for free. It's going to be like a template. I'm going to try to avoid words that are technical when I'm teaching you these things. Okay. First thing first, let's understand the project. In the zip you're going to download after this video, there's a blueprint. This is the blueprint. It talks about this AI agent. Remember, you can edit it. It says self-hosted relationship communication automation agent. You can talk to your lover, to your everyone. Anyway, let's go faster because I don't want the video to be longer, because you can do this thing in 5 minutes because all the files are there. But it's going to get longer because I'm explaining on a low man to the beginners. Anyway, what we are going to need. First thing, we are going to need a server or hosting. This is where your AI agent is going to run. For example, me, I use a CloudPanel, and I recommend that you can get any you want. This PDF, this file has everything you're going to read, and trust me, you're going to understand. If you don't understand, please inbox me how to get hosting. Trust me, you're going to be helped. I gave even examples where you can get the hosting. I told you, for example, you can get it from Namecheap, Hostinger, Shadow Hosting, or you can just inbox me and I help you out. Second, you're going to need a domain. So let me first show you here. My server is here. First thing, it's better when what I talk about, I show you. So this is my server. I already have my server and it's already set. Second, you're going to need a domain or a subdomain. Me, I'm using a subdomain. This is my subdomain. I think you can see it. If you don't know how to get it, still in the file, I've explained how you get a subdomain, why you can get it, and I also gave you examples of my subdomain I used. You get, you can also use free SSL certificates and HTTPS, anything. Those are on the CloudPanel. You get. Second, you're going to need API keys and service free. The service, they are free, trust me. The service, they are free. Let's get the Groq API key because we are going to need it. To get the Groq API key, you're going to come to this site. This is the site. I managed to paste it. It's groq.q.com. So when we come to groq.com, where's groq.com? It's going to be like this. You're going to create an account. For example, let me create an account. Okay, let me create an account. You're going to create an account. Okay, it's creating. It's easy. When you come to Groq, after creating an account, come to API keys. When you come to API keys, click create API key. So give it a name. For example, I'll give it the name of my what? Let's give it the name of our project. The name of our project. Let's give it the name of our project. You can give it any in Groq, for example. Here, make sure you've clicked no expiry. Click submit. Okay. So Groq is going to give you a one-time key. Just copy it. Copy that one-time key. Keep it somewhere. Okay. Let me keep it somewhere. Groq. I've kept it somewhere. Keep it somewhere. Okay, then what else are we going to need? We are going to need, let's go, what we need. After getting the Groq API key, we are also going to need a WhatsApp API gateway. I managed to we are going to go on this website. It's called, this one, I think you can see it. just copy it and paste it. When you paste it, it's going to bring you to an interface that is free, that has only this word called intense. So when you find it's going to be like in the middle, just click the word intense. It's going to bring create and confirm. So when you create, it's going to bring out these keys and it's going to display them for you. Copy them and paste them. Copy the API URL and interface ID and token. You get? It's going to, when you open the site, it's going to bring only this word interface. Click intense. When you click intense, then it's going to ask you to confirm. Click confirm. It's going to bring this. When it brings this, it's going to bring a QR code around here. Scan it. It's going to link your phone, your WhatsApp. Please scan your WhatsApp and get these things. Please paste them and copy them somewhere. You see, like I've managed to put them somewhere. Okay. Okay, I've put them somewhere. Then the other thing we are going to need is, okay, the OpenAI was replaced by Groq. You get? You can use OpenAI or Groq. We managed to get the key. So another thing we are going to need the index.php. The index.php is here. It is in my file. I think you can see it. The index.php. Make sure you watch the video to the end because you're going to need it. You're going to need the logo. Those are the assets. I've managed to put the prompt you're going to use to get the logo. If you want to edit and get your own logo, you will just edit the prompt with names, or you will just copy this prompt, put it in your favorite AI, tell it to change this prompt to your favorite name you give it. So you're going to generate a logo with this prompt, and then you're going to need another thing. We are going to need we are going to need the credentials, and that's what we have. So let's go back slowly. What you're going to do, you're going to come back to your CloudPanel or hosting. You're going to come back to your CloudPanel or hosting. When you come back to your CloudPanel or hosting, you're going to upload the index file that is in my zip. You get? If you don't know what to do about the CloudPanel, come to sites. You come to add sites. Make sure you choose a PHP site. When you choose a PHP site, put your password. Make sure you choose PHP 8. 8.2 is okay. 8.2 and above is okay. Then put your subdomain or domain here. Put your username or change it. Then click create. When you click create, still this information is in the text. When you click create, it's going to take you to your site. Just come to HTTP docs. If you don't understand anything, please read the PDF. Upload the index file I've managed to give you. When you upload the index file I've managed to give you, you're going to put your intense key here. The intense key is the one that we copied. This is the intense ID. Intense ID is the intense key. We are editing our code now. We are going to put it ultimate intense ID, paste it there. Then token, you're going to put your token here. Copy the token. We are going to put the token. Copy your token. We are editing. You can edit it in your favorite text editor. Okay, don't worry. We are going to put the text token here, and we are going to put the Groq API key here. We have our key, we pasted it somewhere. My credentials, our key is here. So we copy it, and paste our key there. You get? We put our key here. You can edit it in any text. Remember to save. Okay. So after putting your key, you can change the name of the logo according to the name you named your logo. It's very important. After putting all this, save. Please save. when you save, I'm doing it briefly. I think you saw how we got everything. You're going to upload your logo, okay? After, you're going to install, come here to SSH, come to SSH and click and install your SSH. You get? Slowly, I'll delete this later, don't worry. Come to SSH and install everything so that you're safe. Okay, if you're lost, you can read the prompt. Come to httdocs. Let's open our file. So our site is visible. Let's visit it. Let's visit our site. Remember, you can change the password to any password you want. You will just come here, index, change your password here. You can change it to any password you want and it will work. Trust me. Okay? If you don't understand anything, you can just inbox me. But I have uploaded everything. You just download the zip, upload it, edit what I've told you to edit, and upload your logo. You'll get your site here working. So this is how the site is working. Let me show you. I'm going to put the name here. For example, let me put, I'm sorry, I'm going to use my lover's number as an example. Okay? I'm going to use my lover as an example. Anyway, let me use my phone number as an example. Let me use the other phone number as an example. Okay? Let me use my other phone number as an example. We are going to put, let me check. Here we're going to put name, for example, Young Don. This is Young Don, okay? We are going to put Young Don's number 770, that one 0770543326. Okay, then we are going to put Young Don is my friend. We are going to say morning message. This is how you change the time. When you come to your index, you will scroll down. I think you can say I managed to label everything. You can see everything is labeled. You see everything is labeled. 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 Anyway, there's something I didn't tell you that is important, because if you didn't finish this video, you've missed this part, and you're going to say it's not going to work. It's called the cron jobs. You get? You're going to come to the cron jobs. You create a cron job. Let me show you my cron job, and I've managed to. So this is my cron job. This is how the cron job works. Okay? This is the cron job. I think you can see it. Make sure replace this http DonXtraBoost.com with your own link, with your own address. Then come to add cron job. You're going to paste your cron job here. You get? You just leave everything to star. You get everything to star and paste your cron job. Let me copy the cron job. Okay, copy and paste it. Okay, add cron job. So your cron job is going to be added and it will be synced anytime. So back to our site. We added Young Don. Is our friend. Morning message. Let's be playful and add contacts. You can add many contacts as you want. And let me see if I can scan and show you.